Okay, here we are back in Princeton. This is the trophy homes. This is the Emmy. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,800 square foot. This house is $359. Very similar to the Ashton Woods that we just looked at. Come in the main door. You're going to have 2 bedrooms up front. This house is $359, 1,800 square feet. Then this would go into the door to the garage, just like in the Ashton Woods house. Laundry room. The Ashton Woods house is about $1,900. This is $1,800. Come into kitchen area, big eat-in area. You could do several things there. Living space. And then this comes into the main bedroom, main bath. Hey, obviously there's a difference here because you don't have a bathtub like you had in the Ashton Woods house. Closet's probably very similar. To me, this is a little bit better than the other Southridge property.